I was looking through the responses to my survey, asking what fundraisers are struggling with right now. Do you know the number one response was identifying donors? Some fundraisers were simply asking, where do I find new donors? While others were specific in asking, help me understand who my potential donors could be. I like this last response. This fundraiser wants to understand who really are her ideal donors. It's a great question. You don't want to waste your time or anyone else's time trying to make a relationship work, trying to turn someone into a donor who is not interested in your cause. If it's not there, it's not there. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. When I work with clients, I focus our attention specifically on large gift donors. One of our first activities is building a major donor prospect list. This list is critical to each step that follows. Everything we do stems from this list of ideal major donors. Here's why. You want to be targeting your efforts so you bring in big results. You don't want to be spinning your wheels or wishing and hoping people give to your cause. That's not what you want. So here's what you need to do. Make a list. Start by creating a potential major donor prospect list using these criteria. A person must first, number one, be passionate about your cause. Number two, have the means to give. And number three, be philanthropic. No doubt they must have all three attributes to be on your list. Now, you know the best place to start building your ideal major donor list is by going to your database. Always first look to those who have already spoken with their pocketbook. Look to those already engaged or have given at some level. Don't overthink this, just get started with a list. This list will change over time as you learn more about and engage with those from your list. Bottom line, fundraisers are constantly looking for those next big donors. Create a list so you can work the list. Now, if you have not grabbed my fundraising template, there's never a better time to get a fundraising system in place than right now. Just click the link here and download your free template. See you next time. Bye for now.